Switch on your videos. Even I'm sharing my screen. Mronal also will join. I don't know why he did not join. He'll join soon. We'll continue. Meanwhile, we'll continue the session. Switch on your videos. Yeah, switch on your videos fast here. I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, good. So how much homework did you people complete? You should send me the homework when I give you something, right? You please send me the homework. So how many questions you completed, Charan?
Sir, last 2 pages ఎక్కువ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్.
Last 2 pages, you have doubts. Okay, no problem. Now I'll explain what is limits. How many questions you did, Lokesh?
Sir, I didn't get any worksheet.
Today morning I sent you, no?
Sir, I did not get it.
What, Lokesh? Speak loud.
Sir, I didn't get the worksheet.
Okay, did not do, but this class you do because anyway I'll explain the concepts now. There is a not. Okay, I messaged him. He'll mostly join.
Sir, I didn't receive any worksheet.
I sent to you. No, just check it. This location. I sent to your WhatsApp. No, please check your WhatsApp location. I sent you what all else. I sent you calculus, everything I sent to you. Check your WhatsApp messages.
Yes, sir.
I sent you physics mechanics questions that you need to work. Even I sent you this also. Both works I sent you. You need to complete that works. No?
Where did you send it, sir?
No, Charan. Charan, I sent you in the last class. I'm telling for Lokesh. Mrinal, Mrinal joined.
Okay, sir.
Mrinal, did you complete the work? And join
Mechanics.
Someone where you have lab video, no? Yeah, did you complete the work?
Which one, sir? Mechanics or chemistry?
No, mathematics, calculus.
Okay, mathematics. Yeah, little I did, sir. I have to do some more.
So maths and chemistry, because every you need to make sure that you complete work.
Yes, sir.
If you complete the work, definitely you'll get perfect scores with us. That I can guarantee you. Every day,
Okay, sir.
connected to the system which you have video, no? You are connecting only with
Sir, I'm having internet issues. That's why I joined late. I thought the class was at 5:30.
Yeah, it is at 5:30 only. But people, I think you only asked me at 5. Then everyone said at 5.
Yeah. But in the message it was said 5:30. So
Yeah, I
I'm
said at
having
5,
internet
but I
issues.
we'll have from 5 only. But I might be late for 5 to 10 minutes. But I'll take extra those 5-10 minutes. Huh? We'll have 5 to 6 only. We'll have clarity. Huh? By 5 to 6:30. Yeah. Microeconomics, I'm starting from next week. English also, I'm starting from next week. I'll tell you the timing. Just give me today. But chemistry, AP calculus, physics mechanics, and physics E&M. I'm sharing my screen also. Just 1 second. AP calculus. Download the book. Yes. Let me share the screen. So AP mechanics class are 8 to 9 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. AP mechanics class are on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, 8 to 9 p.m. AP physics E&M classes are on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday, Saturday, 8 to 9 p.m. Only Sunday morning, 9 to 10 a.m. Only for AP physics E&M. Chemistry, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 to 9 a.m. Calculus, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 5 to 6 p.m. You have clarity. If you have any doubts, you let me know. I'll inform you the timings. You should have clarity on the timings of the classes. Don't miss any class. Now, last class I explained you different indeterminate forms. I gave you homework. I'm sure most of you could not complete everything, but now I'll explain you how to approach them. Now you'll see wonder. You'll be able to solve any question in limits. Just listen to me carefully for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll give you the theory part. What is the way that you need to approach the questions? Then you'll see magic. You'll be happily able to solve any question. I downloaded the book, right? Yeah, I downloaded it. Okay. So last class I asked you to do from page number 4 to 11. Mrunal, what did you say? You completed the homework?
Yes, sir. I have some few questions left.
Okay, few questions left. Okay. Charan, I already sent this book. Lokesh, I already sent this book to you in the morning. You can check your WhatsApp messages. Even
Sir,
I sent
and one more thing. Chemistry sir told he would be creating Google Drive link, but it's still not there. Yesterday the class happened, but
okay,
till today.
I'll check with him. Just message in the group, sir. Can you please send the link? I'll speak to him after the
Yeah,
class.
because I need class notes and the homework also.
No problem.
Yes.
Just message him. Huh? He might have
Okay, sir.
forgotten. But anything, if you say something, you forget, group is there. Only I keep 3 people. Actually, right now, I'm starting one more AP calculus batch. So, but that since more than 3, I'm starting a new batch, even for other 2-3 students. So someone else is taking whatever it is. So I keep 2 to 3 students in batch because I want to have personal attention. So whatever is there, please mention the group because only 3 students, right? It does not create any problem. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is any too personal, message it to me or message it to sir. But if anything related to work or anything, please send work or anything. Message in the group. Huh? Okay. I shared my screen. Huh? No. Just okay. Listen to me for next 10 to 15 minutes. You'll get complete hold on limits, how to solve them. Last class, I explained more about theory for the last 1 hour. Now I'll explain you how to approach the problems. You get 2 multiple choice questions and in 1 free response, you might get 1 bit. Means on only limits, you'll get 6 to 7 marks. Only on limits. On continuity, you get around 4 to 5 marks. So we get average around 11 to 12 marks, even 11 to 13, but most of the times 11 to 12 marks we get based on these limits and continuity. So now I'll tell you the process how you should approach whenever a limit question comes. Even it will help you for your JEE mains or advanced or whatever you think. So listen to me. We have so many formulas. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. Don't remember any formula. Remembering formula will not help you because as a student you can't remember much formulas. I told you some indeterminate forms. So please tell me what are the indeterminate forms I told you? Yeah, tell me. You should be very active in the class. What are the indeterminate forms that I told you in the class?
7 indeterminate form.
Yeah, please
0
tell me
by
those.
0,
0
infinity
by
by
0,
infinity,
infinity by
infinity minus
infinity,
infinity,
Infinity by infinity.
0 into infinity, 1
1
power
power
infinity.
infinity.
Infinity minus infinity.
0 into infinity, 1 power infinity, infinity power 0. What else?
Sorry, your presentation is not able.
Amma?
Screen share.
Sorry, screen share is not
Screen is
able.
not shared. Okay. So, you'll be able to see the screen. You'll be able to see the screen. Yeah. 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 1 power infinity, infinity power 0. What else we discussed?
0 power 0.
0 power 0. Very good. So these are the 7 indeterminate forms. These are only the 7. There are nothing else. Now, every question comes under this. Any question in limits, either AP or mains or advanced comes under this. For example, you take, open the book. Where is the book? Okay. Take any question. Not pre-calculus. Pre-calculus if you have doubts, I'll see. Take first question. It comes under infinity by infinity. Take second question. It comes by 0 by 0. Third question. It comes 0 into 0 into infinity. It comes under infinity by infinity. See, that is the magic. 99% of the questions that you get in the exam will be one of these indeterminate forms. Out of these two, the most famous and the friendly forms for the students is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. These two are the most friendly forms. Whenever you get these forms, either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity forms, please use L hospital rule. Please use L hospital rule. Please use L hospital rule when you are using this form. So what is the L hospital rule is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Both are called as L hospital rule, L hospital forms. So what to do when you get these questions is, suppose take this question, first question. Lokesh, you also switch on your video. Everyone switch on your video. After getting internet, you also switch on your video, Mrinal.
2 minutes, sir.
When I put infinity in this form, I get infinity by infinity. So what I need to do is, if I am getting infinity by infinity, or if I am getting 0 by 0, the best way to do is limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x is equal to f dash x by g dash x, which is equal to f double dash x by g double dash x. We can go on doing till you get an answer. 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity is our best friend. Most easy way to solve questions. Whenever directly input whatever they gave, you get either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Either of the two forms you get it. So only either of the two forms you get it. Just 1 second.
You are muted, sir.
Yeah. So we get, you'll listen here. We get either of the two forms. One is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. Very simple. You need to use L'Hopital rule. Actually, it is called L'Hopital rule. We got just L'Hopital rule, so call it as L'Hopital rule. So L'Hopital rule is, if limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x is either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, you should just need to do f dash x by g dash x. If you get a finite answer, you are very happy. You are not getting a finite answer, do again f double dash x by g double dash x. If you get a finite answer, very happy. If not, continue f triple dash x by g triple dash x. You can go on do this. There is no problem for this. Now we will apply it on the problems, but this is applicable only for these two forms. You can't apply for other forms, 0 by infinity or 0 power 0, infinity into 0. You can't apply. You can apply only for 0. That is most important. When to apply, when not to apply. So we'll apply L'Hopital rule for two forms, either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity forms. Now see the question here. I have a function, limit n tends to infinity. This one, when I put n is equal to infinity, I am getting infinity. Denominator also I am getting infinity. So it is infinity by infinity form. So what I'll do is, I'll do differentiation. What is the differentiation of 3n cube minus 5n? All of you, what is the differentiation of 3n cube minus 5n?
9n square minus 5.
9n square, everyone knows. If you don't know, just you know the basic differentiations which you should know. Everyone knows because you learn in 9th and 10th. Everyone will do IIT foundation. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. At least these basic things you should keep in mind. Write it if you know, very good. If not, you should know. By now, everyone will know. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Please write them. Derivative of x power n is, if you know, perfect. If you don't know, basic derivatives. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So now, if I apply in this formula, derivative of 3n cube. What is the derivative of 3n cube, Lokesh? Amma? Yeah, unmute, no? 9n square. What is the derivative of 5n, Charan?
5, sir.
5. What is the derivative of 3n cube, Charan?
3n square, sir.
3n square, very good. Tell me, what is the derivative of 2n square, Mrinal?
4n.
4n. What is the derivative of 1?
0.
0. So now again put infinity. If you put again infinity, again I am getting infinity by infinity. Again I can use the L'Hopital rule. You should have clear when to use, when not to use. That is more important than anything else. So again when I put infinity, I am getting again infinity in the numerator and infinity in the denominator. So again do differentiation. What is the differentiation of 9n square? 18n. What is the differentiation of 5? 0. By 3n square is 6n minus 4. Again I am getting infinity, no problem. Fourth derivative, 18n is 8, 6n is 6, 18 by 6 is 3. Happily D for Delhi. See how simple. So write beautiful word. So first concept, Please write this. If f of x by a is 0 by 0 infinity by infinity, do f dash x by g dash x, so on, so on, so on. Most important, first important point. And if you do only for 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, you do for whatever you want, you get wrong answer. You need to do clearly for your concept should be clear. Your concept should be very clear. I am very clear in my concept. The same thing should be there in your mind. It should be in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Then only you can apply L'Hospital rule and use only this method. There are many methods. Factorization, that, this. No, waste of time. I don't suggest any other method. Just using the derivative and you can continue till you get answer. Now I did 4 times derivative. I can do even 10 times. No one will ask me. But again, that should be in the form of 0 by 0. If not, it does not make sense, or infinity by infinity. Yeah, people can hear me. Yes, yes, yes. People can hear me. Now, everyone do 29th question and give me your answer fast. 29th question. All these are actual questions. You'll get similar questions in exam. Everyone do on pen and paper. Don't think you are intelligent. I'm 10 times intelligent. I did all these questions, but every time I do on paper. Even one question wrong, you lose 1.2 marks.
One by one.
1 by 4 is
1 by
one
4.
answer. 1 by 4 is other answer. So when I put theta equal to 0, I'm getting 0 by 0 form. So happily I can use the L'Hospital rule. 1 minus 1. So derivative of 1 is 0. Cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. So sin theta by 4 sin theta into sin theta derivative is cos theta. Sin theta gets cancelled. Put theta equal to 0. 1 by 4 into cos 0. So 1 by 4. Only one derivative is sufficient. After one derivative, when you plug in the answer, you are getting answer. So answer is 1 by 4. Very simple question. Now, try to do 37th question. Let me see how well you are thinking. Numbers will be different because they might have come in that number in that paper. Try to do 37th question now.
One, sir.
Sir, zero.
Mrinal says 1 is the answer, but we'll see how 1 is the answer, 1 or something else.
Zero.
So 0 is Lokesh answer, 1 is Mrinal answer. Charan?
Sir, I told 1, sir. Charan.
Charan, you said 1, sorry. Yeah. Lokesh said 0. Mrinal, what is your answer? Who said 1? Who said 1?
Charan, sir.
Charan, okay. So when I see this function, limit, it is 0 into infinity. I don't know how to solve. Venkat did not explain how to solve. But happily I can convert into x by sin x, which is of the form 0 by 0 when x tends to 0. So derivative of x is 1, derivative of sin x is cos x. 1 by cos 0 is 1. 1 is the answer. So simple. We should not make
Sir,
mistakes.
it's cos x, no, sir.
All questions will be like this in AP. Very simple questions. If you know the
Sir,
concept.
it's x into cos x.
X into
Sir, it's x into cos x, sir.
cosecant x. CSC is cosecant. COS is cos.
Okay.
So CSC is cosecant x. They give CSC means cosecant. COS is only cos. Yeah. Fifth question you can do now. I don't want to waste time on the models which you'll be definitely doing. 37th you can do. 83rd you can do. 21st. Yeah. Let me check how well you are thinking. Please tell me answer for 21st question. And give me 1 second. Just drink a little water. Just tell me answer for 27th.
1, sir.
Be careful. Before giving answer, you should be very careful. If not, you go wrong answer. You get wrong answer. Yes, coming to good evening. Today we are starting psychology batch, new batch. You have classes 6 o'clock, sir. 3 students are there in the batch. 6 to 7 you have psychology batch. Please, today is the first class, 6 to 7. You'll have on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They are busy on week other days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 6 to 7. So this week, Saturday, Sunday, from next week, we have on Friday. Please take it. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. What is the answer for this question?
Non-existent.
One answer is non-existent. Be very careful when you are giving answer. One question, 1.2 marks. 4 and 5, sometimes students will with 1 mark, then they cry a lot, no use. You should be very attentive from day one. All the concepts and everything, you should be very attentive from day one. Mrinal, you should answer more. These two are looking more active, you should also be more active, Mrinal. Yeah. So, different people give me different answer. Yeah. I bought my book, so the same book. So when you look into the question, when I simplify, when I put x is equal to 1, I'm getting 1 by 0. We did not learn any formula for 1 by 0 now, so you cannot say non-existence or some direct answer. So think logically. What is the basic definition of limits? Limit extends to 1 plus f of x should be equal to limit extends to 1 minus f of x. Both of them should be finite and equal. That is a basic definition of limit. Suppose you don't know anything to solve, come to the basic definition that I taught you. Limit extends to 1 minus. So if x is very small, less than 1, like 0.99999999, this comes minus very close to 0. So this becomes minus infinity. If it is
Minus
1,
infinity.
yeah, minus infinity. If it is 1.00000001,
Plus infinity.
plus infinity. So one is going towards minus
It does not
infinity.
exist.
Other is going towards plus infinity. So when at one is minus infinity, means like this. Other is at plus infinity. So definitely there are two different
Limit
terms.
does not.
Limit extends to 1 plus is not equal to limit extends to 1 minus. So we can happily say limit does not exist. Don't apply L'Hospital rule for everything. You get wrong answers. If you apply L'Hospital rule for this, you get 1 as the answer. You should not come and tell me I kept 1. They gave wrong. No, it is definitely wrong. Answer is non-existent. If you want, I'll give answers for all these questions. We can also discuss answers for all these questions. Yeah. Now, please see 35th question. After this, again, I'll start explaining the concepts. So now, please see 35th question once. I think Ronald has issues with net. Okay, he will join back, it seems. Okay, please continue. Please be careful before giving me answer. Important and easy question only. Yeah, what can we answer? Then I'll explain you the next concepts.
0, sir.
One answer is 0.
0, sir.
0. Charan, could you please tell me how can the answer be 0?
Sir, it is infinity by infinity form, sir.
Infinity by infinity. Okay, very good.
I did the double differentiation, sir.
Double differentiation. So x for k is k into x for k minus 1. So k into k minus 1 into x for k minus 2 by e power x. Then
Sir, no, sir. We'll get x power k into log x power k. No, sir.
no. So f dash x by g dash x. F dash
Yes, sir.
x is first derivative is k into x power k minus 1. E power x derivative is always e power x. E power x is such an easy
Yes, sir.
function.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Differentiation is e power x, integral also e power x. So this is the first differentiation. Then how did you get answer as 0? How did you get answer as 0, Lokesh?
Sir, k is a positive integer, so we can consider anything from
K is a positive
minus.
integer.
So we can consider anything between minus infinity to plus infinity, excluding them both. So when we differentiate, it will eventually end somewhere, and then e power x differentiation will always be infinity. So finite by infinity will be 0.
Think you are correct, but so after if I differentiate k times, this becomes k into k minus 1 into k minus 2 into so on up to 3 into 2 into 1
Yes.
by e power x. So this is a finite value because
Finite
k
value.
into but e power x is e power infinity. Finite value by infinity is 0. That is the reason answer is 0.
Yes.
Numerator is x power k is a simple function, but e power x is very large function when compared to x power k. So that is the reason this is 0. Now I'll explain you about other forms. Other forms means we have 0 power 0 or infinity power 0. Please see here. Whenever you have other forms, first let me explain about infinity minus infinity. If you have infinity minus infinity form, next question, next formula. If you have infinity minus infinity form, the way to solve infinity minus infinity form is by rationalizing. Rationalization will help you to solve infinity minus infinity form. I'll give you a question, you will understand. Mrunal, joined. Good. Now, whenever I have infinity minus infinity form, the best way to solve it is using factorization. Will always help you to solve infinity minus infinity form. For example, I have limit x tends to infinity root x minus root of x plus 1. Try to give me answer for this. I gave a question on the board. Whenever you have infinity minus infinity, do rationalization. That is the best method that will help you to solve infinity minus infinity problems. Don't use any other method. Please follow what I'm telling.
0.
0 will be answer because you rationalize this. The moment you rationalize this by root x plus root of x plus 1,
You are not audible.
now when I put limit x tends to infinity, this becomes minus of 1 by root x plus root of x plus 1 minus 1 by infinity, which is 0. So that is the reason it becomes 0. So whenever you have infinity minus infinity, the best method that we have learned is rationalization. You should have good clarity. Practice the same thing when I'm telling what I'm telling it to you. Now next, if you have 0 into infinity form, 0 into infinity form, the best way to do this is I can write this as 0 by 1 by infinity, which is 0 by 0 by form, which I can apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. Next, please write most important. Whenever you have 0 into infinity form, please write notes. Again, you will not get all this. Anywhere you will not get this. This is finalized, perfect version of solving any question that comes in AP. Whenever you have 0 into infinity form, you need to convert into 0 by 0 form and apply L'Hospital rule. Write neatly in your notes. Example, x into ln x. 0 into when limit x tends to 0. Now convert this into limit x tends to 0. You try this, without this you can never get answer. You do something, you mark something. But if you apply the method I told, x by 1 by ln x. This is one function, this is one function. Try to solve this and tell me answer. Or you can also convert this into infinity by infinity. Suppose this is difficult. Now see this. I can write it
Infinity,
as
sir.
ln x by 1 by x. This is easy. This is easy to solve. This is difficult to solve. I can convert 0 into infinity by 0 by 0, or infinity by 1 by 0 is infinity by infinity form. Please write this also. I can convert 0 into infinity to 0 by 0 form, or infinity by infinity form. Please write how I am writing. 0 by 1 by infinity, which is 0 by 0. Infinity by 1 by 0, which is infinity by infinity form. The moment it converts into those forms, happily I can apply L'Hospital rule. Example, x into ln x. Write both forms. This is not easy to differentiate. This is very easy to differentiate. Ln x derivative is 1 by x. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, which is minus x, which is 0. If you don't use this method, you can never do. You do something which is, you get a weird answer. But if you use this method, then only you get the perfect answer. Please write this example neatly in your notes. 0 into infinity form. Best method, sir. What I am telling is the best method to solve. If you listen this class, you get 6 marks. Any question in limits you'll be able to do. Any question. 6 marks are in your pocket with today's class. But you need to practice. You need to think. I have in my mind, so I can say, but you are a student. So you need to practice. Oh, 0 into infinity. I need to convert it 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Infinity minus infinity, I need to do rationalizing. 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. I can do L'Hospital rule till I get the answer. Now, next forms. We have 3 next most important forms: 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, infinity power 0. Please write how to solve the questions related to 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, infinity power 0.
Sir.
Log,
Sir.
log. You need to take log on both sides. Take
Sir.
log on. Someone is speaking, I cannot hear. Anyone speaking, I cannot hear. Please speak loud. Anyone
Sir.
has any doubt, please.
Sir, in the FRQs, if we get a like 0 by 0 form, and
Yeah,
then
you can use.
we should
Yeah, you can use the L'Hospital rule. AP calculus will give full marks. AP calculus is praised. Use the L'Hospital rule. We are ready to give mark. So AP calculus enjoys L'Hospital rule. So you no need to learn any other methods. Just learn the methods I am teaching you. You will get full marks. FRQs use if you get 0 by 0 using but you need to write using L'Hospital rule. Limit extends to f of x by 0 by 0. So that you need to write that statement and write full marks.
okay.
Yeah. So when you have 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, or infinity power 0, you need to take log on both sides. If you want to take example, if you want to have example, limit extends to infinity 1 plus famous example. Every teacher starts with this whenever they are explaining these questions: 1 power infinity or infinity power 0. First example, limit extends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power of x. Let it be y. Forget this. Let it be y. 1 plus 1 by x whole power x. Take log on both sides. Log y is equal to x into log of 1 plus 1 by x. Now limit extends to infinity.
Y equal to e power x to log.
Yeah, that you can do later. Log y. Don't do anything this. Now you see onto this side what it becomes. X into log of 1 plus 1 by x. This is becoming infinity into log 1 is 0. This is the form infinity into 0 or 0 into infinity. I told you when you get 0 into infinity, what is the best way to solve? Write it as log of 1 plus 1 by x by 1 by x. Now these are the form 0 by 0. Log 1 plus 1 by x is 1 by 1 plus x into 1 plus 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Both got cancelled. Now put x is equal to infinity. You got 1. Log y is 1. Therefore y is e power 1. Simple.
But sir,
You need-
instead of doing this for 1 power infinity, we can do
Yeah,
take e power.
e power, for everything you have formula. You can't remember so many formulas. I am a
But
person.
it's
Uh,
easier for e power, no? Is
only
for
e
1
power,
power
only for
infinity.
particular. If you
Ah,
don't get in exam, you get forget. But the method I am telling you, you can apply for anyone and with minimal thinking. Minimal thinking, you can do maximum questions. But if not, I have formulas for everything. Even for
yes, sir.
implement, I can give you minimum 50 formulas in just limits. No use. I
Yes,
teach
sir.
IIT, I teach, I'm expert IIT advanced. No use. AP calculus you need to do in such a way, minimum knowledge, you can get maximum marks. So follow the logic I am telling you. In my IIT class, it will be completely different. I don't use this method. But AP, you need to know this to get good marks. So just follow what I am telling Brunal.
Yes, sir.
So if you take this as f of x, g of x, limit extends to a, f of x minus 1 into g of x, everything we have formula here, please don't take the formulas. If you have 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, infinity power 0, take log on both sides, don't differentiate this side, differentiate only this side. You'll get log y is equal to 2, 3, 4 or 5. Therefore y is e power 1, e power 5, e power 10, e power 20. So simple and so straightforward. Very good. Now I'll give 2, 3 more questions on this which you can take. Now you please everyone do 38th question using this method you do. 38th question. Please see which form it is fast. Which form and which method I need to do.
Infinity power.
Yeah, infinity power 0. So definitely I need to take log on both sides. Only 3 methods. 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, factorization and taking log on both sides. Just remember these 3. You can solve any question based on the limits in this.
E, sir.
Ramcharan, you said E, yeah?
Yes, sir.
E for elephant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So non-existence is answer for Ramcharan.
No, sir. Option C, sir. E, sir.
Okay, E. Okay, C is the answer for Ramcharan. Location and all, please tell me your answer. Apply the logic that I told you, you'll easily get answers. But don't make any calculation or any mistakes.
Well, I'm taking B.
Pardon me, Lokesh.
B, sir.
E. C is the answer.
B.
1 now. What is the answer?
Yes, sir. 1.
Okay. Lokesh says Bangalore. Ramcharan says Chennai. Mrinal,
Sir, e power 5, I think.
you should not think. You should get an answer.
Yeah,
In the
e power
notes,
5, e power 5.
you got an answer e power 5. Could you please tell me how did you get e power 5, Mrinal?
Take log on both sides, 1 by x log.
1 second. I'm writing the question fresh so that you'll be given worksheets. You can ask them how many worksheets you want. Please do ask them. So regarding the calculator, even today I spoke with a student. She says, sir, I never used Desmos. I used only the Texas TI calculator that you told me. Even though it is available, I never used. So it is up to you. You can use only Desmos calculator, which is available online. If not, you have already available calculator. You please use that. If you are comfortable with that, use it because IB and this AP, some students are comfortable with it. Please use because some students are telling me we use both. None of you telling only using Desmos, I solved everything. That is only making me a bit concerned. So some students, yesterday I spoke with one student. She's studying at now John Hopkins University. So she told me, sir, I never used Desmos. I used only my TI calculator that you suggested. She bought the same thing, TI Inspire CX CAS. She used the same thing. Okay. Now, y is equal to, I need to take log. I'm doing what Mrinal says log y is log of 1 plus 5 e power x whole to the power of 1 by x. Next, Mrinal.
1 by x comes this side.
1 by x comes this side, log of 1 plus 5 e power x. Next,
Differentiate, sir.
why you should differentiate? What is the form it is coming of? Infinity. So, infinity by infinity form. Correct, right?
Yes.
Infinity by infinity. So, very good clarity. So, the differentiation of this is 1 by 1 plus 5 e power x. 5 e power x derivative is 5 e power x
Power x.
by 1. So, this is turned up into log y is equal to 5 e power x by 1 plus 5 e power x. Again, when I put x is equal to infinity, again infinity by infinity form. So 5 e power x is 5 e power x. That is what you might have done. Correct, right? So you need to be bit careful here. So 1 plus, people will do two ways. Let me tell you two ways. They divide both numerator and denominator with e power x. So 5 into e power minus x plus 5. Now put x is equal to minus infinity. When I'm putting x is equal to minus infinity, what I'm getting answer as 5 by 0. So is the question e power 5x or 5 e power x?
5 e power x.
5 e power.
5 e power x. So then whatever the method I'm doing, I'm getting only one, or I can just again it is on the form infinity by infinity. You want to do this also, you do 5 e power x
Sir,
by
we get
5
5 by infinity.
1. So log y is 1, therefore y is e power 1, therefore y is. If the question is e power 5x, it would have been e power 5. But if this is the question, answer is 100% e is the only answer. Okay? Yeah. Ramcharan, you also switch on your video. Mrinal, from next class, make sure that you switch on your video too. Answer is e. Mrinal, please solve questions, Mrinal.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
I am concerned about it. These people are bit active, but whatever it is. So these are only the models that you get in exam: log, factorization, L'Hospital rule. Using that, we can solve any question based on the limits. There is other concept of continuity. I'll explain that also now. But before continuity, I explain. I would like to solve 0 by 0 form. We'll do it in seconds. This you will do. Please solve 40 seconds. Tell me answer for 40 seconds. Be fast. Be very attentive in my class.
Sir, it's cosecant.
Cosecant. CSC is cosecant. SCC is secant. CSC is cosecant. In AP calculus, we'll write cosecant as CSCX.
Is it 1?
So Brunal says 1 is the answer. I don't know. Please solve everyone. I'll tell you the answer.
Sir,
But
e square, sir.
E square is answer for who said E square? Lokesh.
Yes.
Okay. Lokesh said E square. Brunal said 1.
Sir, E square, sir.
E square. Ramcharan also saying E square. So please be careful. So when I put, I get 1 power infinity. So definitely 1 power infinity. Our friend is there. Y is equal to 1 plus 2x into 1 by sin x. So now this comes of the form y is equal to 1 plus log y is equal to log of 1 plus 2x by sin x. Now when I put 0, 0 by 0 form happy like into differentiation. 1 by 1 plus 2x into 2 sin x derivative is cos x. Correct, right? So log y is equal to 2 by 1, which is 2. Log y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to e square, which is option E. E for elephant should be answer. Manal, please be a bit careful, even both of you. Just follow the rules until you can do any question.
But if we take e power cosec e power limit extends to 0, sin x into 2x, it will be there, no?
How can I take sin x? When it comes front, it becomes cosecant x, no?
Yeah, 1. Okay, okay. Yeah, yes, sir.
It can't become sin x number.
Yeah.
Write all the steps. Don't think I know something or don't think that you don't know something. Even you give me basic knowledge student, if they follow what I'm telling, they'll get marks. Just follow what I'm telling. I told you how to find the limits. Limits you get 6 marks pakka, either FRQs or MCQs or whatever it is. So if you have learned whatever I taught you so far and the limit definition, you should know limit definition also, and whatever I taught you before, no need to know any other formulas, nothing is required. 6 marks are in your pocket. You can do any question based on the limits. Okay? Now, please solve all other questions. Answers, I'll give it to you. I'll tell you the answers. Next class, I'll give answers for all the questions or we'll discuss answers. Now, bit advanced, next step of this. Now see. Suppose assume this point is 2. Assume this point is 2. Can I say this function f of x is continuous at point 2 or not? Can I say this function f of x is continuous at point 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
So this function is not continuous at x is equal to 2. It is not continuous. So what is continuous? Please listen carefully. So first, why we started limits? I told you long back. When limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus secant line should become tangent line when h tends to 0. That is the reason we started with this. Now, if you see carefully, limit x tends to 2 minus f of x should be equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x
We got
should
the
be
limit of
equal to f of 2. Both limits should exist and the limit should be equal to the function value. So, what is the continuous condition? The only condition that you should remember for a function to be continuous to solve question is, please write, for a function f of x to be continuous, for a function, next concept, most important concept, for a function f of x to be continuous, the condition is limit x tends to a minus f of x should be equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x, and both of them should be equal to f of a.
the answer.
Yeah, so this is called continuous. Now, yeah. Please see question number 5. Carefully, please see question number 5 and give me answer. You should be very careful. You are my student, you should pakka get 5 out of 5. If not, shame on to me also. Just follow what I said, clearly follow and tell me answer.
Discontinuous at 2, continuous at 0.
Don't give answers so fast. You have 2.5 minutes per question. Who are giving fast? 90% chance that they make mistakes. All these steps should be done. Function is continuous or not, limit should exist, and the value should be equal to the function. Keep both in mind and give answer, because multiple choice we give something wrong, no use. Unfortunately, they did not give negative marking. From this year, they are saying they'll keep negative marking here, so you should be very careful. If they give negative marking, the things become so difficult.
Yes, sir.
So, Lokesh, you are saying C, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lokesh says C. Ramcharan and Vrinal, please give me your answer. Take your time. We have 2.5 minutes. No need to be hurry, but I need perfect answer. What is the answer? Ramcharan, don't switch off video unless until required.
Sir, here it's power down, sir.
Okay. Yeah, what is the answer fast? Now see. Now, what are the different points where the function can be discontinuous or continuous? 0, 1, and 2. There are only 3 points: 0, 1, and 2. So limit extends to 2 minus. అంటే 2 కన్నా చిన్నదంటే ఇది 2 minus x. When I put 2, I am getting 0. When I am putting limit extends to 2 plus 2 minus 3 అంటే -1. అసలు లిమిటే లేదు. కంటిన్యూస్ కి ఫస్ట్ కండిషనే లిమిట్ ఉండాలి. లిమిటే లేనప్పుడు ఫంక్షన్ కంటిన్యూస్ కాదు. సో 200% కరెక్ట్ కావాలి. సో క్యాన్సిల్ ఆల్ ది ఆప్షన్స్ దట్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు. Only C, D, and E are left. Now C at 1. So this is for less than or equal to 1. Limit extends to 1 minus is 1. 1 plus is 1. Limit, see here, limit extends to 1 minus. అంటే 1 కన్నా చిన్నది అంటే x square. అప్పుడు 1 పెడితే 1 అయిపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇది algebraic function or algebraic functions are direct values. Limit extends to 1 plus పెడితే ఇది 2 minus x, 2 minus 1 is 1. రెండు ఈక్వల్ అయినాయి. 1 f of 1 చూడు, f of 1 కూడా x square, f of 1 కూడా x square. సో 1 దగ్గర కంటిన్యూస్. సో 1 ఉన్న ఆప్షన్స్ అన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేయి. ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ D కానీ C కానీ అవ్వాలి. నౌ కమ్ టు 0. When I come to 0, limit extends to 0 minus is 0. Limit extends to 0 plus 0. Limit extends to 0, 0. 0 minus దగ్గర 0, 0 plus దగ్గర 0, f of 0, 0. 3 0, so function is continuous at 0. So the only option where the function is not continuous is 2. 2 is correct location. If you have done this process, it is correct. If you are giving answer by some other method, please check what is the method I am giving. But if I have done the process like this, perfect. Others who did not do, realize now. So first I need to find limit, then I need to find the value. అర్థం చేసుకోండి. అర్థం చేసుకుంటే చాలా సింపుల్. ఏదో 100 ఫార్ములాస్ వచ్చి నాకు ఏదో నేను ఎంగేజ్ చేశాను, వేస్ట్. మనకి బుర్రలో కనుక బేసిక్ లేకపోతే ఏమీ రాదు. ఏపీ అనేది కంప్లీట్ బేసిక్. మీకు ఎంత బాగా సబ్జెక్ట్ వచ్చు, అసలు లిమిట్ అంటే ఏంటి అని తెలిస్తేనే మనం చేయగలం. So this is the answer. The function is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. I'll give one more question on continuous. Differentiability I'll discuss. Yeah. Please tell me answer for 3. Third question. Third, fast. Third. Number 3, question number 3. Please give me answer for this.
One by 6, sir.
1 by 6. Lokesh, you said 1 by 6?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lokesh said 1 by 6. Others, please give me your answer.
One by 6. 1 by 6.
1 by 6. Very good. Muna also said 1 by 6. Ramcharan should also tell me answer. So I should know the limit value at 2 minus or 2 plus. So let me calculate limit extends to 2 minus. If I calculate rationalizing, when I put 2 equal to 0, I'm getting 0 by 0. So you can use your L'Hospital rule. That is the best way. Or you can also use rationalizing. So if I use L'Hospital rule, 1 by 2 into root of 2x plus 5 minus 1 by root of x plus 7. Sorry, 1 by into 2. So 2 also get cancelled. By x minus 2 is 1. Now put x is equal to 0. Then I get 1 by root 5 minus the function is continuous at x is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 2. Sorry, I need to put x is equal to 2. So which is 1 by 3 minus, what is this? When I put x is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So 6 minus 3 by 6. So which is 3 by 6. Which is, am I doing correct? Sorry. nonsense here, 6, which is 2 minus 1. So 1 by 6. So the limit value of this function at x is equal to 2 minus or 2 plus is 1 by 6. Since the function should be continuous, f of 2 should be equal to 1 by 6. So simple. You just need to find the limit. If you are even understood continuous, 10 to 11 marks are in your pocket. 11 to 12% of the paper. 108 ka 11%. Minimum 11 to 12 marks are in your paper. But you need to solve many questions. Don't underestimate by just doing. I'll give you 50 to 60 more questions. You need to solve all these questions. You need to solve at least 100, 50, 100 questions. I'll give at least 50 questions. Please solve all the questions. Don't think I know. The moment you think I know, you're gone case. I know many smart students who got 4, many average students who got 5 because they did hard work. They blindly followed what I said. Smart students, they think I know. At the end of the day, they do something else. Gone case. So practice is important. Make notes and do these questions also in separate notes, as I said. Now, next 1 or 2 questions I'll give it to you, which you need to do. So we did continuity and limits. This will be, you can do. Yeah, 79th question. Please see 79th question. Please do 79th question.
Sir, D.
Speak loud, Lokesh. What is your answer?
D, sir.
D. 1 and 4 only is Lokesh answer.
Sir, 4 only.
4 only is Lokesh answer. Yeah, what is the answer, Ram Charan and Brunal?
Sir, I think it's E, sir.
What
1 and
you think answer is?
E.
E. 1 and 4 only is his answer. Others, please tell me what can be the answer. So, if I see the function, if I see the denominator, suppose a is equal to 1, it becomes x minus 1 into x square minus 4 by x square minus 1. So clearly x minus 1 will get cancelled, means the function is not defined when x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 cannot be the answer. Cancel all the options that don't have 1. Now put 4. When I put 4, again it becomes x minus 2 into x plus 2 by x square, x minus 2 into x plus 2. So when a is asking what is the value of a. So even when a is equal to 4, the function is not defined because we can cancel x minus 2 and x minus 2. So answer is 1 and 4 only. At 1 and 4, the function value does not exist. The limit value might exist, but the function also should exist. And so what is the condition for continuity? Limit should be equal to limit x tends to 2, f of x should be equal to f of 2. Limit value should exist, the function value also should exist. Then only we can say that function is continuous. The function of value only does not existing by common sense question. So 1 and 2 cannot be answered. So answer is E for elephant should be answered. Okay, you'll come to know by practicing. I'll send you some sheets. Immediately I'm going to send you. Please solve those 50 questions. First complete all these questions. all these questions you should complete up to this page number 12. You can see page number 12 here. Out of 475, 12 pages. All questions neatly you should complete. All questions again from first page, and I'm sending you 50 more questions. You need to complete all these by Tuesday's class. If you can complete all these, it will take you around 10 hours maximum. You are perfect in limits and continuity. 6 marks are in your pocket. What 6 marks? 6 plus 5. 11 to 12 marks are in your pocket. Okay? So I'll see you on Tuesday's class. Complete all the homework neatly. Do sincerely. Then only it makes sense. Okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'll see you on Tuesday then. Take care. Make sure that everyone
Bye,
switch on
sir.
their cameras from Tuesday's class.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, Mrinal. Bye,
Thank you,
Ram.
sir.
Lokesh. Huh? Bye, Lokesh. Bye. See you.
Sir, and what's gonna be the syllabus in next class?
Next class, first I'll solve all your doubts. Mostly limits and continuity. You'll have good number of doubts. Will continue. If at all you completed, I'll start with definition of derivative. I'll follow this book order. I shared the book
Okay,
with
sir.
you. Okay. I'll follow the same order. So I'll start with definition of derivative, then derivative rules, means formulas related to derivatives. Huh? So we'll do
Okay,
more
sir.
and more that. I'll follow the same order that is there in this book. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Physics sir also will follow the same order, but he'll tell you in the group what he'll follow.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Huh? Okay, Lokesh. Take care. Bye.